In this video, we'll be talking about the health section. You can find this under the devices in the submenu. When you select the health, you will have an outline of the following: the heart rate, the steps, the blood pressure, weight, oximeter, and quality of life. You can select today or an overall reading. You're able to go into every single one to see more details. Clicking onto the heart rate, you will expand a daily snapshot, but you can also select a weekly report or progress line, and the same with monthly. If you would like to set some parameters, you can click into the red box there next to the date, which allows you to set a minimum and maximum heart rate that you would want to be monitoring. We have a separate video on how to actually edit these, which is why I'm not going to be spending too much time on that now. But the same goes for steps. You have the daily, weekly, and monthly outline, and you can also set a daily target there just by editing the fields. We go into the blood pressure now. You will need to have an additional device connected, so the blood pressure monitor connected to the mCare watch in order to have a reading for these. And you can again have a daily, weekly, and a monthly snapshot for these reports. The same goes for weight, oximeter. These need to be connected to the device. And then the quality of life really depends on what kind of quality of life reminders or prompts were dispatched, and then these will be outlined in a graphical illustration that looks like this. And that concludes the health area.